Yes.
Next is the implications for curriculum design. Grading systems shape curriculum development by aligning assessments with learning objectives. It ensures that evaluation methods accurately reflect student learning and goals. Implications for curriculum design. It means na kapag mo na nag-change with mga curriculum over time, paano na siya kapag mo na, paano na siya, nag-adjust mo na siya sa students' learning niya. Paano na sila sa, nag-grade sila sa panahon, nag-grade sila sa iya. Okay, pero natin sila relevant karon kaya i-implement pa to. Nalitan karon more on the innovation karon kay Juana, nag-engage mo na, i-implement sila sa curriculum. And Juana sa una, long-term academic success, growth-oriented grading fosters, higher achievements in future studies. Constructive feedback helps students develop lifelong learning. It means that when it comes to reporting, if you muhatag ng feedback, you have constructive muhatag ng mana, it means na makahatag ka ang mga help ka sa students to develop lifelong learning skills. Feedback in a way na maka-encourage sa students and not a feedback na maka-lower sa self-esteem sa students. Yeah. Ano yun? What if you do more both positive and negative?
Yes.
Depends on the teacher. Yun na din na sila i-follow. The next one is the types na ta.
Sabi lahat. Ikat ne?
Una na ka?
Ikat ne, Krisa?
Sa ikan ka?
Wait, make sure nga nakuha na. Di ba sila?
Pero nakas na yun. Ano mo balik mo?
Okay na?
Ikaw mo eh.
Sa
Okay na nun. So, types of grading and reporting system. Di ba nag-tackle na itong kakado, itong traditional and standard-based grade. Na-type ko siya, pero pinilaki ko siya. For all of them.
Oo, naman nila mo.
Okay na mo, guys?
Yeah.
First is the traditional letter grade. Please read. Letter grade system. Please read everyone.
The most common and best known of all grading methods, mostly composed of 5-level grading methods.
Are you familiar with this grade?
Yes.
Elementary. So, no?
Start na lang ang round sa una sa paper.
Depende sa school kung nag-implement sa school. Pero saan yung letter grade system?
Start ang mga
Outstanding.
Why not work values, diba? Always observe. Sometimes observe.
Ako ikaw ang mga sales sa pagkakasal.
Okay, excellent. Sabi ko ha.
Bisa, yan ang may na.
Sa pag-editing,
Tayo,
Nabother mo ito?
wala siya lang. Sorry.
Wow.
Grading system. This system uses a system binary system, either pass or fail, to indicate whether a student has met certain standards. Like siya sa grading sa kanang teacher pass, fail.
Objectives, of course, that are enumerated after which objective students develop achievement system.
So it means, tapos na siya sa kanang types of grading and reporting. Ang checklist of objectives, mostly teachers ginagawa na nito. Check niya kung na-achieve sa student ang ilang learning objectives or ilang sa lesson plan. For example, ang lesson plan, naman yung mga objectives. Sila, checklist of objectives. Nasa kontra, Abig sa nila. Then, next is letters to parents or guardians. Miss Shella, please read. Or sa internet, letter ha. Letters to parents or guardians. Elementary school, and grades, maths, and so, thank you, Miss Shella. So, letters to parents or guardians, it is sa reporting method kay anong maghatag ng feedback. So I can only use the parents to communicate with maghatag na sila every report. Depende sa
Masagar na sa mga ibigay sa partner.
ay man kay conferences. Ganun.
Kapag sila din sa usang kapag dito 15. Ano mo? Magbukat at suwag na ito sa taksa.
For example, kung nai-concert ito ang masira, pwede kung letters to parents, pwede gamitin nila naki-concert nila ang mga araw the students na nililawin or okay, hindi naman na gamitin niya siya para sa pag-report nila. Pero mostly diba ang sa public conference man, ay ka ng PTA, hindi need. Pero sa iba lang, special, the percentage grades type of the grading details. Pero, di ba percent? Percentage grades are the ultimate multi-category grading method, can range from 0 to 100%, and generally more popular among high school teachers than elementary teachers. Am I right?
Yes.
Ano siya? More popular than sa high school. Next is the portfolio. I think this is the last. I know the right. Portfolio. A collection of student work chosen to show express, weaknesses, and progress over time of the students. So in portfolio, tayo sa nito sa grading. Sa hindi po mag-base ang maestra sa pagkuha of grade, right? Sa portfolio niya, hindi po makita ng strength of weaknesses sa students. Ano naman yung discuss na? Saan na ba portfolio? Yes! Last, the parents-teacher conferences, mainly used in elementary school. It requires parents and pupils to call for a conference with the teacher to discuss the pupils' progress, useful for two-way flow of information and getting more information from parents. Tanan ba ang parents mo? Tanan ba student? Wow! Student na. Ano yung mga PTA? Wala na. What? One book? Ayaw mo yung mga sa una kay Go 9, 85. Pero sabay nasa school kami kay Go. Yes. So yung sa mga maestra. Okay. Okay na. Oo, okay na.
Mas pulo ba kaya po niya residence mandating water.
Baka na yung certificate na lang.
Oh, sa meeting eh. So, isa na pasok sa Now that you're done with the types of grading, we will go to the guidelines for effective grading. Manong need ba natin yung guidelines for effective grading? Para to ensure fairness, accuracy, clarity, yes. All your answers are correct. So, guidelines for effective grading. Describe grading procedure. Ang guidelines niya para makagamak ang effective grading. First, describe grading procedures to students at the beginning of instruction. Naba na?
Yes. Ito ang rubrics.
Grading procedure kasi. Ito, Next one.
Ay, ikaw na ka nang isulti na ito ka nang sugod sa kwan? Sino ka na ba ang murag orientation?
Before,
Uy, kumusta?
pwede ba na, clarify that course grade will be based on achievement only. Dili kay daghan dapat for achievement kaya ang grade mo na yung grade, right?
Yeah.
Explain how other factors, effort, habits, will be reported. Explain kung imo na. For example, ang pag-design dapat ikaw isa naman.
Contributions.
Relate grading procedures. Ano yung imo dito? Relate grading procedures to intended learning outcomes. Dapat kung sakto ang yung grading procedures matching to niya itong mga learning outcomes. Align. Obtain valid evidence for citing grades. Kahit makibawar ka sa inyong grades, waka ba mga anong gawin na kung grado niya sa dapat na ay valid evidence. Prevent cheating. As a teacher, dapat ito ka mag-cheat. Hindi ka manipulate. Return and review all test results as soon as possible. Apply today. Properly weigh the various types of achievements included in the grade. Do not lower an achievement grade for tardiness, weak effort, or misbehavior. Pero depende rin na siya sa rubric bitaw. O kapit ko ng attendance, then go. Pero o ang ingon isang pagkat depende rin din siya para may effective rating. Lastly, be fair, avoid bias, and when in doubt, review the evidence. So, as a teacher po, dapat po, sure po ka sa inyong mga gibang pangkodwan, di na kay basin po, hindi ako na perfecto. So, you need to review para hindi ka doubt ang inyong work, hindi ka spell sa student. Ha? And that's all about my topic. Now, sure? Okay, what are those types of grading and reporting? Standard-based. Itong 6. So,
Ako ba kaya ayaw ka din?
we will have an engaging activity. So, move to your corner. So, kani, nakunin ko nga, then, kaning mga pilianan, tutang ako ng,
Padayon ka ba ng medyo?
now may team,
So mudong yan yung mga
corner bitaw,
Parehas na lang sa kontot niya yung
then, matawag ko na, every hair na ay,
Dili na lang.
or gusto ko ito.
Krisa. 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 Okay na, padayon ka po.
Okay, again, no? Wala no questions? Wala. Five, A teacher needs to give detailed but efficient feedback on whether each student has met certain curriculum outcomes. What system works best? A teacher needs to give detailed but efficient feedback on whether each student has met certain curriculum outcomes. What system works best? A teacher needs to give detailed but efficient feedback on whether each student has met certain curriculum outcomes. What system works best? I'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wala ko yung ha?
No.
What? Pero ang gingon kay, ang teacher kay kung check mo sa kanang natin ba? Traditional letter system. Ayan! Next.
Ginawa